This video presentation is about the online course CMB 230. The subject is Discrete Mathematics for Computing. This course focuses on the following key topics: sets, matrices, mathematical inductions, and methods of proof. These are presented in the beginning of the textbook, and we will go over which chapter to cover. And other topics we will cover in here will be matching, recurrence relations, and generating functions. These are also part of the fundamentals that are given in the textbook. Then we will have logic and combinatorial problems and techniques. We'll talk about permutations and combinations and these counting techniques, methods. We'll discuss also relations and functions, and we'll distinguish between relations and functions. And we represent relations using either set notations or either digraphs, or also using matrices. Order relations and structures are very important for applications in computer science. We will also use trees, and we will use the trees for doing the coding theory. And we will talk about graphs and their applications in social network. The learning and performance objective for this course would be, upon completion of this course, you, the student of this discrete math class, be able to use the fundamentals, the sets, the matrices, the mathematical inductions, and the other discrete math tools in computing and in social networking. You will be able also to understand the logic and apply it in the field of computer science, understand the counting techniques such as permutations, combinations, and relate these methods to algorithms and programming. Understand relations, functions, distinguish between them. Function is a subset of relations. Present also these relations using digraphs and use them in building computer models. Understand trees and implement them in programming language and other IT tasks such as coding and storage of data and so on. Learn about graph theory and related to social networking and data mining. So you can see all of these topics are related to different topics in the School of Computer Information System. The textbook that we have it on the introductory part of the course is a very interesting textbook. It is very easy to follow, and the chapters that we cover in the textbook would be chapter 1, which is the fundamentals, and we cover that in week number 1. Chapter 2, which we cover it in week 2, and it is logic. Chapter 3 will be the counting and the counting techniques, and probability. We will use probability also based on understanding of the counting techniques. These 3 chapters will be, you will be tested on in week number 4 for the midterm exam. So the midterm exam will cover the material covered in the first 3 weeks. And then we get to week number 5, and we'll study chapter 4, which is relations and digraphs. We'll continue a little bit from chapter 4 in week number 6 with the functions, and we'll distinguish between functions and relations. We will study a lot of different computer science functions, such as the ceiling functions, the floor functions, the exponential functions, the characteristic functions, the binary functions, the and different kind of polynomials and other mathematical functions, and of course the fuzzy functions. In week number 7, we will start a new topic, which is trees. Trees also is related to relations, but it is a special kind of relations, and we will try to cover also some other variety of topics such as the topics of graph theory. Good luck to you guys, and enjoy the course. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact your instructor.